Wengie and girly things hugs. So today we have some period hacks for you and we're gonna get some updated ones. I know I've done a ton of period hack videos before. Alright guys, so let's check out these new hacks. Let's go. Oh wait guys, I have a new number for you guys. You guys can actually text me for reals. My number is 917-267-7304. This is real guys, I'm not pranking you. A ton of you guys said that it was a scam. No guys, this is real. I did not get hacked. I'm already texting a bunch of you guys back now. It's been so much fun, so I'd love to connect with you guys. Also guys, it's only available for US and Canada at the moment, but yeah, hopefully we'll expand. Alright guys, I'm going to put the number down below so you guys can remember it. Call me, maybe.
We all know that with periods come the horrible period cramps. Sometimes they're manageable, but other times they get pretty bad, especially at night, which really ruins your sleep. And as you know, sleep is my favorite activity, so I get super cranky if I don't get a good night's rest. One great hack for nighttime period cramps is to simply put an extra pillow between your knees as you sleep on one side. Yep, it may look and feel silly to you, but this position actually helps take the pressure off your abdominal muscles and can relieve the tension that makes cramps worse. Now hopefully you'll get a good night's rest. Taking a nice hot shower can be very relaxing, even more so during your period. But as relaxing as that may be, don't you hate it when you get out of the shower all nice and clean and you notice the trail of blood you've left behind? Okay, that is super TMI, but you know it happens. A quick and simple hack for this is to take a pad and attach it to a clean pair of underwear. Do this before you go into the shower and hang it right outside the shower. This way you can just slip on clean underwear right after you shower before you make a mess. No more spills and no more cleaning up. I don't know if this has happened to you, but I always carry tampons in my purse when it's my time of the month. Sometimes this is an accident waiting to happen, right? And this can be pretty embarrassing if it does. I found a way to avoid this if you feel awkward in this situation. Otherwise, show it loud and proud. All you need is an empty ECLIPSE tin. You then take your tampons and put them in one by one. And voila! You've got yourself a concealed tampon holder and no one is the wiser. You can fit around 5 tampons in one tin, which makes it the perfect size. Periods can end up getting really messy and occasionally you'll find yourself with blood in places where it shouldn't be. If you're a girl, you know this happens. This is why it's a good idea to keep a small pack of wet wipes in your bag to help clean up messes quickly. It's more effective than using regular tissues and definitely more hygienic. On the days when your flow is heaviest, and I'm not talking about music, and you're afraid of leakages, a simple hack you can do is to wear swimsuit bottoms instead of regular underwear. If you do leak, you can just wash it out super easily in the bathroom. Also because they're swimming material, they'll dry quickly, so if you do need to clean up and dry them, you can get back into them ASAP. The first few days of my periods are always painful because of cramps. So this next hack is super useful and will definitely help to bring you a little bit of comfort in your busy schedule. You'll need a pair of underwear, a needle and thread, a little bit of fabric, and an air-activated heat pack. You're gonna start by taking the fabric and heat pack. Cut the fabric according to the heat pack size. Make sure you leave a little fabric all around the edge because this is where you'll be stitching it together. If the heat pack is bigger than your underwear, you can always fold it in half like I did. Stitch the fabric to your undies at the front, but don't stitch up the top part as that's where you'll be inserting the heat pack from. Once you're done stitching, just slide in the heat pack. Now you have a convenient pocket for your heat packs. Great for when cramps strike and you need something soothing and warm for your belly. I know during this time of the month, half the time you don't even want to move around. But research actually shows that if you live an active lifestyle and work out during your period, it enhances your mood and increases circulation. Exercise also alleviates the cramps, back pain, and headaches you get when you're on your period. One of my resolutions for 2020 was to get more fit. So I'll let you know how this goes for me later. Keep me accountable, guys! One thing I carry around during period week is my period pouch. This is a little pouch that contains all the essentials I need for my period, as well as a few emergency supplies. For this hack, all you need is a pouch, and in it you can put pads, tampons, a stain remover pen in case of accidents, painkillers, spare underwear, and any other items you think you'll need, such as chocolate. Because of its size, you can easily carry it around, it's handy to have on you, and you can take it to the bathroom without drawing attention to yourself. A product that I found life-changing are the THINX period panties. These panties are environmentally friendly and save on the cost of pads and tampons every month. Some of their models can hold up to 2 tampons worth of blood, so depending on your flow, it can easily last you a whole day. I like this product because there's less waste, and also it actually feels better than wearing a pad because it's nice and thin. It's like you're wearing normal underwear. Going through your period month after month, year after year is not always easy. You deserve to relax and veg out if you need to. Pamper yourselves with your favorite junk food and relax in bed if that's what you want to do. I definitely do this and don't feel guilty about it at all.
Alright guys, let me know which one your favorite hack was down below. Also follow me on social media right here. I do TikTok as well, and also check out my song, Wengie Music. And I'll see you guys next week with a new video. Bye guys, love you! Mwah!